Welcome to another episode of Beginner's Barbecue Outdoor. In this episode, we're going to do something more classic, especially since 4th of July is coming. What great time to do cheeseburgers and hot dogs. Let's get it going. Since this is my first time doing this, the cheeseburgers and the hot dogs, I really don't know how to cook them. So normally on all the other videos, all those are my first time doing all those stuff, like the ribs. The episode 3 was ribs. First time ever doing it. Same as the brisket, the chicken breast, and the chicken thigh. First time ever. And so what I do is I like to go to the app, on the Traeger app, and it tells you step by step on what to do. So for the hot dogs, there's really not enough information for me to go by just doing a classic hot dog. They show you how to do bacon wrapped and grilled onions and all that, but I'm not doing that. Same as the cheeseburgers. It's all these recipes for hamburgers, but not just a normal frozen patty. So what I'm gonna do is I looked at the temperatures they give you for both, and I decided to go with 350 degrees on both of them. I'm gonna put them at the same time. Probably pretty sure the hot dogs are gonna be done quicker than the hamburgers. So estimated time is about half hour for both. Hot dogs less, burgers about half hour. So I'm gonna keep an eye on both of them, and hopefully everything comes out good. So I got this stuff ready. Seasoning of choice, everybody knows Johnny's. Very popular, especially on the patties. This is it right here. This is it. This is just a little extra. This is chicken thighs marinated in teriyaki. That's just a little bonus. That's actually going to go on the grill. I'll put one on the smoker just to try it with that marinade. So I'll put the patties. I got one marinated chicken thigh just to try out. The rest are in there, grilling style. But I want to try it smoked. And the burgers. I'll wait about 15 minutes to add the hot dogs, because they'll probably cook faster. Almost forgot about the seasoning. Because this is seasoned, not rough. So there's more salt in this one. Just a tad. So I'm going to flip them now so I can put seasoning on the other side of the patties. Now we've been there for 10 minutes. Look at that. Good done. Last time we'll see them. Ready to put the dog in. See over here. Look at those. They look great. They look great. But I might lower down 275. Hot dog is pretty much done. 2 more minutes.